Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you my biggest slime, and I'm gonna show you how to make it. So let's get right into it. This is the Tupperware. Sorry, I said that. It says swirls. I got it from Michael's. And yeah, so now I'm going to be showing you the slime. It's huge. Yeah, it was $20. It said on the price thing it was $20, but it was actually pretty cheap, and it was $12. Yeah. And so yeah, this should be like your very own type. I didn't want to add coloring to it, but you can. The first time, I got it today, and it felt like dough first time. And I've used this all day, and it feels so satisfying. And as it says on the box, oddly satisfying, and so satisfying that you can blend it up and do all sorts of things with it. And you could make bubbles. Yeah, a lot of bubbles in here. If I had another person, I could probably stretch it out and make a bubble. A big one. But I don't have that. I don't have a person with me. It's just me. And yeah, I'm going to tell you how to make it, because I don't have the stuff. I just know because I've done this before. And I've used all of the glue. But yeah, and I know how to make it because I remember from my brain, and I wrote it down, but then I lost it. But I still memorize it from heart. So let's get started right into it. First thing you're gonna want to need is a Tupperware, probably about this size, maybe wider or bigger. And then you're gonna want to need a mixing utensil, and then shaving cream, glue, white glue. I use the white Elmer's glue. You could use any kind of brand. I just used Elmer's glue. And then you are gonna wanna need activator or solution. I used solution, like eye contact solution, saline solution, whatever you want to call it. And some decorations of your own. So yeah, let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is take your Tupperware and pour in the Elmer's glue. And then pour in the shaving cream and mix that together. Next, you're going to want to put in the decorations, whatever. Mix that together so it's actually in there. I used sprinkles, and I've made this before. I just bought it again because I lost my other fluffy slime. So yeah, I used fake sprinkles, some little foam balls, and puff balls, I think you should say it. Pom-poms. So yeah, then next you're going to want to put in the solution to that. And it should activate and pull together. If it's too sticky, pour in more solution. Or more whatever, more glitters, decoration. Oh no, it's gonna fall on my head. Not. So yeah, it should go to this. And yeah, this is really satisfying, as it said on the box. Oddly satisfying. Feels like dough. I think you can get a cookie cutter and like cookie cutter or whatever that is called, and make this flat like this. Here, let me just set you up. Like this, and then just cut out a shape. Yeah. And then you just roll it. And yeah. So if you want me to make more videos, this is my second video, but my brother has a channel. I think it's called Jackson Williams, but he makes Lego videos. He's really into Legos. And yeah, I might post some videos on his, or maybe all my videos. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this. I hope you enjoyed making this with me. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Comment down below. You don't have to, but just don't comment. Don't comment. Yeah, don't comment because I don't like getting comments. Sorry, but just watch the video and make it. And I guess subscribe. Leave a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!